Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Almond nail winter design step by step guide. Number one design is zebra hippie. When a when at the Atlanta's the nail nest brought multiple inspiration photos. The salon master artist pen knew exactly what to do. Combine everything that you like to create one hippie surprise. The zebra, French rainbow accent, and cartoon smiley face were originally made for three different manicures, which just proves that it wouldn't dream you can turn into nail art. Number 2 design colorful cheetah. Even nail artists want to preserve their manicures for as long as possible, which is why, after a week of solid lavender polish, keep the spray going by hands, painting cheetah print in a darker purple over the base. Smith likes to create art that in elongates the nails. It always looks gorgeous to highlight the tip with a French manicure or use any sort of vertical lines. But feel free to think outside the box with the line which here takes the shape of cheetah print. Let's move to number 3 design the gorilla. Both color swap, hair and dripping black polish use vertical lines to draw attention to the length and shape of the nail in this manicure. Has classic black and white ever looked so bads? Follow up questions, anyone getting the feeling to snatch up some Dalmatians. Step design number 4 the orbit. Nail art Miss Pop sent this look, nicknamed the orbit for the way it hugs with just the edge of the fingernail down the runway at the Jeremy Scott Spring Summer 2019 fashion show. Though it works on any shape to elegant to the length and rounded tip of an almond nail suits for style beautifully.